Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa C6 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was they were using the machine and they heard a loud pop. There was a lot of water coming out through the bottom, and that was because this one right here basically popped off. You can kind of see where it broke, and this hose is located in the thermal block. We replaced the entire hose itself. We put a newer one in there, make sure the other hoses were in good condition, and we also checked for any extra leaks or anything inside there. We couldn't find anything. We just replaced the hose, put it all back together. We deep cleaned these the spouts, and we did a bunch of cleaning cycles inside the machine. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out right here from the spouts. Then we're gonna be doing a cappuccino, testing the steamer and testing the cappuccino spouts. We do not have the entire system over here that Jura has, the milk frothing system and the spout for the cappuccino. So we're just gonna see a bunch of steam coming out through here and just the flow coming out through the roof. Nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Really good flow coming out on both spouts, working great. As you can see, hot waters, nice steady stream as well, working great, really great quantity. And now we're testing the cappuccino functions of the machine, but like I said, we do not have the adapter over here, so we're just gonna see a bunch of steam coming out through here, and then the liquid coming out through the spout. Nice steam coming out of the machine, excellent temperature, really great pressure. Nice flow coming out of the spout of the cappuccino. Like I said, we do not have the other part that goes around here, but as you can see, it's a nice steady stream. Working great. So there you have it, Jura Impresa C6 working once again. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.